Welcome back, students. So far, we have studied about one component of the circulatory system, that is the blood. And we have also done the functions of blood. So, another component is blood vessels. So, today we are going to discuss about the blood vessels. Students, you might have noticed at your home that there is a piping system at our house. Is there? Yes. There are the few pipes which transports the pure water in our house, and there are a few pipes which collect the waste water from our house and send it to the drainage system and further to the sewers. So in the similar way, in our body also there are the piping system, tube like structures which transport pure and impure blood throughout the body. So those tube-like structures are known as blood vessels. You can see in this picture. This is the image of the blood vessels which are present in our body. So basically, blood vessels are of three types in our body, in our human body. First is arteries, other is veins, and the third one is capillaries. Arteries carry oxygen rich blood from our heart to the various parts of our body. Veins carry impure blood from our various body parts and transport them into the heart. And the capillaries are the network where arteries and veins meet each other. So today we are going to discuss about these three in detail. So let us proceed with the arteries first. So the arteries in our body are red in color. They carries oxygen rich blood from the left hand side of our heart to the various body parts, and also it transports the blood from our heart right hand side of our heart to the lungs. So also the arteries are thicker as compared to the veins or capillaries. So these are the arteries and they are red in color. And the next is veins. Veins are the blood vessels that carry the impure blood from the various body parts back to the heart. Okay, they are the blood vessels which are carrying the impure blood, and they are thinner as compared to the arteries because of low blood pressure in them. They collect impure blood from the body and bring back to the heart, and also they are blue in color. The third one is the capillaries. It is the network of thin tubes between the arteries and the veins. It is the point, it is, or we can say the joint at the place where arteries and veins meet each other. There are very thin tubes, and those thin tubes are known as capillaries. And one more thing, students, these capillaries are very much thin, and as like our hairs. They are as thin as our hairs. They are so thin that even the exchange of gases, food items, or other materials such as water, they can be exchanged within the from the capillaries to the various body parts. So there is exchange of food, gases, and water from the blood to the various body parts with the help of capillaries. So just have a look at this picture that is given in your discovering book. The place where the arteries and veins are meeting each other, those thin tubes are known as capillaries. And you can see the arteries on the left hand side, those are red in color, and the vein on the right hand side, it is blue in color. I would like to tell you one interesting fact about the veins, that the veins are much closer to our skin and we can see the veins with our eyes that are present on our skin, but we cannot see arteries and capillaries because they are much deeper inside the body. One more interesting thing I would like to tell you, students, that if we stretch our blood vessels and we connect the blood vessels present in our body combined with arteries, veins and capillaries, जैसे पतंग की डोर होती है, like same, if we connect these blood vessels in series, they will reach about 60,000 miles. It is approximately 95,000 kilometers. So, which is enough to take 2 rounds of the earth.